Do you know what it's like when you have a cat on you and you're like, I can't really get up. I want to do something, but I can't because it's just so cute. I'm pretty much stuck right now. Water bottle. Then grab the backpack. And green juice, check.
Mama jacket.
Mama Jackie.
Jack. Because we are in Peru. Never know.
Awesome.
That's it.
That's it. Ready.
Adventure day.
Good morning, world. So this vlog's pretty much going to be about you and baby all the time since I'm the one with the camera.
I can learn how to do vlogs.
So people get to always watch you in this frame.
Haha, that's funny.
Go ahead.
Okay, let's go.
Whoa. Hey.
Okay, you didn't say it's not so baby friendly.
It's totally baby friendly.
We're made for people who are less than 6 feet, which I definitely am. And afraid of heights.
Oh, baby's tired.
Y'all ready to go back?
Yeah, let's go back home. Thank you, everybody. Oh, that was so much fun.
Our first Peru adventure.
The power of intention setting is so immense. We literally pave the path for what we're about to experience by setting that intention. There is so much that I could share about intention setting, but just want to remind you to be more aware of when you're entering an experience. When you're clear about what you want to get out of that experience, then you become the deliberate creator of not only that experience, but of life itself. So thank you so much for sharing that and inspiring that share, my love.
Oh, you're sweet. Thank you.